So this is a John Deere 324E skid steer. I've already got the cab and the boom lifted up, and I want to show you how to remove the pan here that covers the rest of the hydraulics. So inside here there's a total of 6 bolts. They're 1/2 inch. So there's 3 on each side. And if you just remove these bolts, I've got them already loosened. The shorter bolts go on the side, the longer bolts go on the bottom. Those bolts all removed. You can lift out the entire tub assembly from the cab. And then you have access to all the hydraulics inside. So to put it back together, it's the same way, just do everything in reverse. And tighten down those 1/2 inch nuts and bolts rather till they're snug.